How taking turmeric helps your body block fat and your liver remove toxins as fast as possible. With its unique flavor and yellowish color, turmeric is often added in butter, mustards, cheese, and powders. Besides being used in cooking, this spice possesses incredible health benefits and it can be used for treating a number of health issues. Recent studies suggest that it can reduce cancer risk, treat heartburn, bloating, diarrhea, intestinal gas, colds, headaches, wounds, gallbladder disorders, arthritis, and bruising. Researchers once believed that you should take 1 to 2 grams a day in order to get its benefits, but according to recent studies, even lower amounts can provide the same benefits. It has been proved that even 50 milligrams a day over the course of a few months can provide the same health benefits. Top 5 reasons to add turmeric to your diet. 1. Fat blocker/liver detoxifier. Curcumin is the active compound in turmeric, known for its ability to boost liver function and act as a fat blocker. It suppresses blood vessels used in the formation of fat tissue. It can also produce enzymes which break down toxins in the system, thus detoxifying the liver. 2. Boosts immune system. Turmeric contains lipopolysaccharide, a substance which can stimulate the immune system. It has powerful antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, which boost the immunity system, and protect your body from numerous health issues. 3. Reduces inflammation. Curcumin is considered as more powerful than its volatile oil, which has been found to have similar effects like powerful drugs like phenylbutazone and hydrocortisone, and over-the-counter inflammatory agents like Motrin. It is known that prescription drugs come with many toxic effects, while turmeric produces no toxicity. Do not forget to mention the fact that curcumin works effectively against diseases like inflammatory bowel disease and arthritis. 4. Cancer prevention. Curcumin possesses powerful antioxidant properties and can protect colon cells from free radicals which may damage cellular DNA. It destroys the mutated cancerous cells, thus inhibiting the spread of cancer cells through the body. Many studies prove that turmeric is powerful enough to stop the growth of already existing cancer and destroy cancer cells. According to many experts, turmeric is one of the most powerful protective agents against radiation-induced tumors. 5. Reduces cholesterol levels. Curcumin can act as a messaging molecule that communicates with genes in the liver, stimulating the production of mRNA that control the formation of receptors of LDL cholesterol. With the help of these receptors, liver cells are able to clear out more LDL cholesterol from the body. In other words, turmeric has potent cholesterol-lowering properties. Top 5 ways to add turmeric to your diet. 1. Eggs. Eggs and turmeric go well together. You can add this spice to your boiled, scrambled, over easy, omelette, or poached eggs. 2. Veggies. You can also add turmeric to your veggies. It goes great on cooked greens, sweet potatoes, cauliflower, and broccoli. 3. Yellow mustard. This spice gives a unique, yellow color to mustard. It can be used as a condiment and added to salad dressings together with vinegar and extra virgin olive oil. 4. Tea. Boil water and add 2 1/2 teaspoons of turmeric, fresh lemon juice, and raw honey. You can also add ginger, cinnamon, or black pepper. 5. Smoothie. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric to your favorite smoothie. You can prepare a smoothie by combining 1 cup frozen pineapple, 1 cup frozen mango, 2 cups of coconut or almond milk, a couple handfuls of spinach or kale, and a bit of ginger.